How can you fix the error in your Facebook account? Reels cannot be shown on your mobile application. So how can you solve that? So you just have to check that if you have updated your Facebook application from Google Play Store or not, and if you're not updated it, just update the application from here, like it needs update. So I will just click on update and update the application. So now the application is updated, and I will just go on the app's application information on Android mobile phone and clear all the cache and all the data for this application from here, like all data and all caches. It will help to enhance your application to perform better, and allow all the permissions in application permission option. So this will solve your problem definitely. Thank you so much for watching this channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked, and if you have any suggestions, any questions, just please drop it into the comment section.